So as you can see, this is a very crowded exhibit, actually very crowded tourist trap here in Xi'an. I had a little bit of trouble trying to get in because it wouldn't allow my drone, not even in the luggage check. I had to actually pretend like I was going to the shops to check my luggage in there because this place would not make themselves responsible for the drone. What I ended up doing is stuffing it down my pants and checking in my empty backpack just to make it seem like I checked something in. So I'm walking around with basically a drone in my pants. And yes, I am happy to see you.